Alright, so for our creative color wheel pop art project, make sure you have a ruler. You need to be able to read inches and half inches for at least just 4 inches. So like whether or not you can do that or whether or not you can do that section. Just make sure you can read up to 4 inches. Alright, so on the upper right hand side of your paper, you want to make your ruler even. And remember, the 0 on these rulers are the very edge, and you're going to mark your paper at 4. And you're going to come over to the other side, so the top left hand corner, and you're going to do the exact same mark. So you're going to come down to 4. So you've marked your paper twice, 4 on the left side and 4 inches on the right side from the top corners. Now from the bottom left hand corner, you're going to take your ruler and you're going to place it like so, and you want to find the 3.5 inch mark, and you're going to mark it. Alright, now I know you can't see the whole thing, but what you're going to do is you're going to place your ruler so that it goes across your paper, and you're going to line it up on your 4 inch marks at the top of your paper. So your ruler is going to be completely straight across your paper. Once you have it lined up, you need to draw super soft. So just hold your pencil very lightly. You're the only person that needs to see it. I'm drawing a little bit darker so you can actually see the line. Alright, and then you're going to take your ruler and you're going to line it up from the 3.5 inch mark at the bottom of your paper all the way to that first mark on the top right hand corner. And then you're going to draw another really super soft line. And so what you should have is you should have this kind of weird cone / triangle shape that goes to this point on the right hand side of your paper. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to make 2 marks on the horizontal line. So we want to make sure this is our infinity dot, or 1 point perspective. Everything is going to go back to that guy. So I'm going to line my 10 right on the infinity, and the rest of the ruler is going to be on my horizontal. I'm going to make 2 marks, one at the 0 and another one at my 6. Okay. Then on our diagonal line, we want to make a mark at the 5 inch mark. So I'm going to put my 5 on the infinity, and I'm going to mark my diagonal at my 0. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to build a styrofoam paper cup. So we're going to make a cylinder. So we're going to turn these lines into this cylinder. And so what we're going to do is, these are just guidelines, they're not exact. So I'm going to start with my curved line like a parenthesis. Now the bottom, you are going to curve a little bit longer. Remember, use your gesture, use your sketching ability. Alright? And then I need to mirror this line as best I can. Again, nice sketch. It'll kind of tell you whether they're working. I want to turn this into a flat smile. I cannot go past my diagonal. I want to turn this into a flat rainbow. And then I want to make the mirror image. And then I'm going to work and adjust on my sketch until I like my tone.